Hi Suresh, good morning. Here is a new feature for us. You can directly edit all the details which are available on the product list page. So if you see there is a new button here. This is for edit. When you click on that edit button, all the table is opened like a Excel sheet, like an Excel sheet. So now you can select any value for any column. Suppose if you want to edit the cost, yes, you can do directly. And of course, you can edit the restock level, desired level, and other whatever the fields that you can see here on the screen, those can be edited automatically. And at last, you can save it. And let me know what are the other fields that would need to edit as a sheet on this form, so that I will add those fields in which can be seen on this table directly. Thank you.